What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove private number from your phone. So if you call someone and that person tells you that your number is showing private number, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove that. First things first, you have to go to your dialer app. Some phones call it phone app, some phones call it dialer app, and this is going to be similar to One UI, Samsung One UI. I'm using LG UX UI as an example in this video. I'm also going to show you how to do that on MIUI, aka HyperOS. So let's get started with the video. Go to your phone app and go to your call settings. This is very similar to most of the Samsung One UI. Now go to advanced additional settings, and what you're looking for is caller ID. So this is where you set it. Make sure it is set to network default. If you have it set on hidden number, if you call someone, that person won't see your number. It's going to be showing private number. So make sure you set to network default. Like I said earlier in this video, I'm going to also show you how to do that on MIUI or HyperOS. So if you're on MIUI or HyperOS, follow this step. Go to your phone app and go to the settings. And what you're looking for here is calling accounts, whatever is called on your phone. You go to advanced settings. Now you scroll down to caller ID. Click on it. If you have two SIM card, you can select the particular SIM card the number is hidden when you call someone. I'm going to use SIM1 as an example. Now you can set your caller ID to network default. So this is how you remove private number from your phone. That'll be all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.